For you,
Right, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also great. Okay, now, all right. So I am giving you a question. Find Pythagorean triplet. Wait, find a Pythagorean triplet whose or in which one member is 12. Do it. Do this.
Ma'am, is it like the smallest number or any number?
What?
Ma'am, I'm like asking in a
No,
triplet,
no, no,
is
no,
it
no,
the
no.
smallest
I
number?
have this time I have given you a general thing. Okay. This time I
Okay,
have
ma'am.
not mentioned that whether it is the smallest or greatest. I have just given you a simple question. You need to find the Pythagorean triplet. One member is 12. Let's see how you are going to do it.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer or shall we put it in
In
the
chat
chat?
box. Wait, 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 wait. And let me make the setting. After that, you will write your answer in chat box. So, yeah. Now start sending your answer in chat box. Okay, I got one answer. Okay. Last year wrong. But before that, I got one more answer. Nayanika, very good. But Nayanika, you have the answer you have sent in chat box. Do you find 12 in that? Do you find
Sorry,
12 in
ma'am.
that?
I wrote just M, not M square.
Okay. Nayanika, I don't think so. Your answer is correct. Can we, Varshisht, are you also getting the answer? No. Lasya, not relevant. Whatever you are writing is not relevant. Okay, Varshisht.
Ma'am, is it correct now? I sent it again. I think I sent it wrong before.
Now it will be correct. Yeah. Okay. So what are the method? What did I tell you to find this
Ma'am, the
triplet?
method you told was 2m is one of the formulas, m square minus 1 is one of the formulas, and m square
This
plus
one.
1 is one of the formulas. And that
Okay.
is an order, ma'am. That is from smallest to largest. If it's an even number, you can use all of them, ma'am. But if it's an odd number, it is difficult.
Okay. Let's start. So I gave you three ways. Okay, I told you three. If they are Pythagorean triplet. Now, if I am saying
Excuse me,
one
ma'am.
member is 12, yes.
Ma'am, I'm actually not getting this Pythagorean triplet.
So you understand, Lasya, and you can refer recording as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Could you explain this question, ma'am?
Yeah, we are doing. So I told you that we have three Pythagorean. There are these are the way by which we can find our Pythagorean triplet. Now you can pick any one, all right? You can pick anyone to find your Pythagorean triplet. Let's say if I start with 2m, right? Let's say I am picking 2m. 2m is equals to 12, right? So m is equals to 12 divided by 2.
Ma'am, 4. 6, ma'am.
6, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
56.
6. Okay, Lasya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after that, if you are equating your one triplet with 2m, so you got m is equals to 6. Now remaining 2 you can find by m square minus 1. So what is m square? 6 square minus 1, which is 35.
5.
Okay, now this is your m square minus 1, 35. Fine. Now the next one is m square plus 1. So 6 square, wait, 6 square plus 1, which is 6 6 is 36 plus 1 37. So another Pythagorean triplet. This is one pair you got. Okay, are you getting my point? If you are taking 2m, so this is the one pair you got here. Is it clear? Am I right? Now, if you want to find using m square minus 1, that's also possible. Basically, m square minus 1 is equals to what? 12. Okay. M square is equals to 12 plus 1. So m square is equals to 13. Now, can you find m here? Can
No,
you
ma'am.
find m here in this case? No. So that's why it is not correct. Am I right? Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am. Yes.
next thing. M square plus 1. Let's try finding our answer using this. Now, this one, if you take it on the other side, so your m square plus
It's
1 is
equal to
equals to
11,
12.
ma'am.
M square is equals to 11. Can you find value of m here? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
So, see, it's not, that is the reason I am telling you, you can use any one of them. Now you need to check by using which thing you are like finding your answer. So this way is also not possible. Okay. So what is my answer finally?
12,
Answer
35,
is
and 37.
12, 35 and 37. So that's my final answer. Getting?
Yes,
Because we
ma'am.
were okay. Now you remember I told you if you have a pair of Pythagorean triplet, if you multiply all the numbers by 2, they will also be a Pythagorean triplet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and one more thing. It's not necessary that you will be finding your answer using this. If you remember 5, 12, 13, they then these numbers are also, let me write 5, 12, 13. Do you remember? We found this pair of Pythagorean triplet in which 12 is a member, but we couldn't find using this. Getting? So sometime you will not be able to find all the Pythagorean triplet using this. Now, are you ready to do some practice?
Yes, ma'am.
Or we can, right now we can learn how to find a square. So you remember, I told you how do we find a square? Number ending with 5. You remember this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Giving you one question, send your answer. And after that, we are going to move ahead. So here I'm giving you a question. Quickly send me answer of 105 square. Send your answer. Quickly send your answer of 105 square. Great. Gagna, Nayanika, Krishna, Charantej. Great work. I can see your answers. What about other kids? Lasya, what is this 5 to the power 31? Is it the form of your answer? I am asking you to find the square. Right? I'm asking you to find the square.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So how did we learn? 105 square. So we will do square of 5. What is 5 into 5?
25.
25. All right. Now let's multiply this 10 by 11. So what is 10 into 11?
110.
110. So this is your answer. Now what if I give you numbers square is starting with 5? What if square is starting with 5?
Then we have to take 25 in front.
Okay, let me give you another question. Let's say 53 square. 53 square. What will you do? This is our number starting with 5. Any answer to this question?
Ma'am, 2809, ma'am.
2809. Okay, let's check. So in this case, what we are going to do? What is the square of 3?
9.
9. Okay,
Ma'am,
one more thing. Whenever you are writing your first part of the answer, you have to write your answer in double digit. But 3 is a single digit. How can you make this 3 a double digit number?
0.
0, 9.
Zero.
So this is 0, 9. So we are going to write 0, 9. Now the next thing, you need to multiply 5 by 5.
Ma'am, these are the last numbers, right, ma'am?
What?
Ma'am, whatever now we are fighting, those are the last numbers, right, ma'am?
I'm not getting your question, Lasya. Please ask me again.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the number which we are finding right now, the 0, 9 months, those
Yeah, this is
are
a
the
unit.
last.
This is the first part of your answer. Yeah, square of 3. What I have taken is square of 3 is 0, 9.
Those are the last units of the answer, ma'am.
Last, no. Unit place and tens place. Don't say last. See, some kids are start thinking this is last. Some kids are taking this is last. So it would be great if we are taking ones and tens.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is 5 into 5?
Ma'am, understood, ma'am.
25, ma'am.
25. Now, so you have to take a square of the tens place. Again, I'm writing the square of 5 plus unit digit. What is your unit digit?
3, ma'am.
3. So 25 plus 3?
28.
28, ma'am.
28.
ma'am.
And here's your answer.
Ma'am,
Okay.
for every number like
What's your
this
answer?
only.
2809.
Ma'am, can you give us some practice questions?
Yeah, I'm giving you. Okay, find a square of 54. Square of 54. 54 square. Very good, Gagna. Okay, next answer also correct. Krishna, Charantej, wow, correct answer. Nayanika, correct answer. Everyone, try to send your answer fast. Please send your answer fast. Varshisht, correct answer. Okay, yeah. So first, 4 square. What is 4 square? 16. 4 into 4. Next part. 5 into 5 plus 4. What is 5 into 5? 25. 25 plus 4 kids?
29.
29. And
Ma'am,
that's
is
you
the
are finding your
answer,
answer.
ma'am, is the answer 2426?
What are you saying, Lasya? You are saying is the answer. You are confirming the answer to me.
Yes, ma'am, I'm asking, is the answer correct?
What's your answer? Tell me again. Lasya, tell your answer again.
2426.
Absolutely wrong. Lasya, see, if you are looking at my screen, even I have written the steps of both part, right? If you look here, see, your answer is coming in two parts. First part 4 into 4. Then I have kept a slash 5 into 5 plus 4. Plus 4 means unit place. Okay. All right, kids. Now, Charantej, please ask me, what do you want to ask?
Ma'am, so
Ma'am,
the answer is 2916.
Yes. Yes, Charantej.
ma'am, now you took two digits, right? Ma'am, what if we take 4 digits?
Okay, so 4 digits. See, these are the quick answers I'm telling you. But if you have more than 2 digit or any random digit, we have method for that as well. Okay, if you will be interested, I'm going to teach you. Now, let's take another question. Let's say 57 square. So basically, this is for 51 to 59. Okay, it's very simple, 51 to 59. Okay, great. Wow, all of you are getting correct answer. Lasya, did you find your answer? Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am, finding one.
What's your answer?
Three thousand two hundred and 49.
3249. That's correct. Okay, let's take one more question. 59 square. Do this one. Do this one. 59 square. Okay, I got so many questions. Wow, so many answers, sorry. And all of them are correct. Great. The answer is 3481. Okay. Alasya, 9 into
Ma'am, no,
9,
ma'am,
9
like,
nines are
ma'am, no, 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 hurry. I just kept it like that, ma'am, because you said you got all answers right, ma'am. Just a bit.
9 nines are 81. Okay. All right, kids. Now tell me, there's a method in your book. Let's say I am taking 34 square. How will you find? Have you learned this? I am talking about your own book. You must have learned a method. Tell me.
No method like that I learned. My teacher just told like multiplication of
Normal multiplication.
yes, ma'am.
But in your book itself, there is a method. Let's say I want to find 34 square. Can anyone tell me what is the expanded form of 34?
Ma'am,
30
like
plus 4.
30 and plus 4.
Okay. Okay, 34 square. I can write my 34 as 34, 30 plus 4. Now, what is the meaning of 30 plus 4? Sorry, what is the meaning of 30 plus 4 square? 30 plus 4 multiplied by 30 plus 4. Kids, Have you learned if you have two numbers like this, how you are going to multiply? Like you will multiply this 30 by 30 and 4. Like 30 into 30 plus 30 into 4. Now, another, you will multiply this 4 also by both of the number. Like 4 into 30 plus 4 into 4. This is your school books method. 30 into 30, 900. Plus 30 into 4, 120. Plus 30
Huh?
into 4, 120. Plus 4 into 4, 16. Now add all of these numbers. And tell me your answer.
It is so long method, ma'am. It is very long
What?
method. That,
I
ma'am, in
know.
1156.
1156. But it's the wrong answer. That's not correct. Anyone else?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
1156.
30 square
Okay,
plus
sorry.
4 square plus 13
Yeah.
into 4.
1156,
That
ma'am.
is correct. That's correct.
2 into 30 into 4.
56.
Okay. So who was the first one? I think Charan, you were? Charantesh, you
Gautam Krishna,
told the
ma'am.
first answer. No, Krishna.
Gautam.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I
So
didn't
that's
even
your
tell
answer.
ma'am.
Okay. But do you think that it is a longer method?
Yes, ma'am.
What can
Yes,
I
ma'am.
do? Shall I tell you an easier one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you do a square plus b square?
Yeah. This is a square plus b square. But let's understand little easy method. Okay. If you want to see, rather doing this, let's understand one easy method. So how we can do, we are going to take, do you know what is the nearest tens of this 34? What is the nearest tens?
Ma'am, 40?
30, ma'am.
No, 30. Okay. If you see 34 is 4 extra from 34. How much it is extra? 34 is how much extra from 30? Plus 4. So what you have to do, you will do 34 plus 4, 34 minus 4 plus, because this 4 extra, you will do 4 into 4. Okay, now what is 34 plus 4? 34 plus 4?
38.
38. 34 minus 4?
30.
30. Plus 4 into 4, 16.
16.
Now, because I am telling you I am telling you in detail. That's the reason I am telling you here, explaining you here everything. Otherwise, you can do first step in your mind. Okay. Now, if you know multiplying double digit number is easy, you can easily multiply by single digit number, right? So 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. And 1 0 as it is plus 16. 1156 is the answer. Okay, let's do one more question. Let's take 43 square. Okay, what is the nearest 10 of 43?
40.
What is
40.
what is the gap of 40 and 43?
41, like 41, 42.
Lasya, what is the
43,
gap of
3,
40
ma'am.
and 43? 3.
3, ma'am.
3,
Three,
ma'am.
ma'am.
43 is 3 extra.
3.
So what did I tell you? You will add 3, you will subtract 3 in your original number. What is your original number, kids?
43.
43.
Ma'am,
43 plus 3?
Sorry, what?
43 plus 3?
Ma'am,
46.
46.
40.
46. Multiplied by 43 minus 3?
40, ma'am.
40, ma'am.
40. Plus 3 into 3?
9, ma'am.
9.
Ma'am, the
Solve
answer
it.
is 1849.
Okay, let's check. So 46 multiplied by 4. 6 4s are 24. 2 carry over. 4 4s are 16. Plus 2, 18. Yeah. So did you find it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
How could you say
Everyone.
it?
Yes.
Did you understand?
Ma'am, this one, could you say it again?
Which one, Lasya?
Like the 43 square.
43 square. Lasya, what is the nearest 10 of 43?
40.
What is the gap of 40 and 43?
3.
3. Can I say 43 is 3 extra from 40? Let's say keep your video on so that I can see your reactions. Everyone video on. Okay, now let's say unmute yourself. Don't mute yourself again and again. Yeah. What is your original number? What is your real question?
43 square.
43 square. So in 43, you add that extra number. What will you get?
46.
46. 43 plus
Plus
3.
40.
Okay, in your from your original number 43, one time you have to add, one time you have to subtract. Subtract 43 minus 3. What will you get?
40.
40. Now plus, because you are subtracting and adding is this 3, now you will take the square of 3. What is 3 into 3?
9.
9. Now you simply solve it. 46 into 40 plus 9. Your answer. Okay, kids, are you ready for one more question?
Yes,
KT
ma'am.
1 minute.
4 square. 84 square. And then I will be okay. First you do this. Okay. I got answer from Charantej. I got answer from Krishna, but I feel like it is wrong. Okay, Gagana correct answer. Nayanika little wrong. Nayanika answer wrong. Now it's correct. Lasya correct answer. Varshisht correct answer. So we can discuss now. So 84. 84 plus 4, 88 multiplied by 84 minus 4, 80. See, first step I am doing in my mind. 4 into 4, 16. Now 88 into 8. So 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64 plus 6. Tell me.
And 70.
70 plus 16. So what's the answer?
Ma'am, 7040, ma'am.
Yeah. What's the answer now?
I'm
7056.
7056.
That's the correct answer. Okay. Now, those who got wrong, did you understand what is the mistake you have made? What is the mistake you have made? And always keep it in mind because you are multiplying by 80. So you have to write the 0 after multiplying your answer.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I get you one more question.
Yeah. Giving you. All right. Do 60.
Ma'am, what happens when it is
12.
above 50 or like 5? When it is like
We'll tell
86
you. We'll tell you. Let's say 86 if we have. But first, everyone come on the same page. Everyone should perfect with this method. Then I'm telling you what to do. Okay. Great. Okay. Nayanika, Gagna, very good. Krishna, correct answer. Charantej, correct answer. Varshisht, correct answer. Kids, quickly send your answer. I'm waiting. Last year wrong. Last year 62 plus 2, 62 minus 2. So 64 into 60 plus 2 into 2, 4. Now what is 64 into 4? 3840 plus 4. Am I right, kids, or not?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
answer is 3,844. Simple.
Ma'am, I have a
Understood?
doubt.
Yeah, ask your doubt.
Ma'am, if it's 66, we have to take 70, right, ma'am?
Both. You can take both. Okay. Now let's come to that part. Let's say I have 47 square. So now the nearest 10 of 47 is what?
50.
50,
So
ma'am.
if you see this time, my 47 is less. How much?
3,
3.
ma'am.
3, ma'am.
Okay. It is 3 less. So 47 minus 3, 47 plus 3. Simply, whatever the difference, one time add, one time subtract. Plus, which square you will take this time? You have to take a square of this difference. So 3 into 3. Understanding? Getting my
Yes,
point?
ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, then also we should add here or we should subtract
no,
here.
we will be adding. Same
Okay.
process in every type we are going to add. Now 47 minus 3. 44
4.
multiplied by 50 plus 9. Okay, now multiply 44 by 5.
2200.
Ma'am, 2209.
2200 plus 9. How simple, 2209, you got it. Now what if, okay, it's not, if I say 47 is square, I can solve this question by taking my nearest 10 as 40 also. Okay, what if I take my nearest 10 40? What I am going to do? Can anyone explain?
Can I?
Ma'am, 40.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 40, nearest is 40, so the gap is 7, ma'am. So
Yeah,
47 minus 7 multiplied by 47 plus 7 plus
exactly.
7 into 7, ma'am.
7 into 7. But
40.
to make your calculation easier, it's better if you are taking 47, then take next 10. If it is below 55, then take previous 10. And if it is ending with 5, then you don't have to take anything. You simply use the method I have taught. Okay. All right. Now, 47 minus 7, 40. Multiplied by 47 plus 7, it is
54.
54. And plus 7 into 7, 49. Okay. Simple. We are going to do the same thing. It's just long calculation and short calculation. Now, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, plus 1 21, 2 160 plus 49. Okay. See, am I getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? And the above method, this a square, a plus b whole square, that I have taken from your book only. This is in your book only, okay? All right. Now, have you seen this one? I want to know the method I have taught you today. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I am giving you one question. Write the Pythagorean triplet. Question is, write the Pythagorean triplet whose one number is 18. Do it. I'm asking you to find only one pair. Do. Okay, Gagana, Nayanika, very good kids. What about rest of the kids? Wow, Krishna, perfect. Okay, Charantej, very good. Varshisht, very good. Okay, so let's keep it equal to 2m. 2m is equals to 18. So m is equals to 18 by 2, which is 9. Now it's simple. M is square minus 1. So 9 is square minus 1. 9 nines are 81. 81 minus 1, 80. Next we can find m square plus 1. So 9 square plus 1. 81 plus 1, it is 82. Simple. 18, 80, 82. Okay, kids. Now, tell me what did we learn in today's class?
Ma'am, we
Ma'am, we
learned how
don't
to find when square of a number when it is starting with 5.
And
Ma'am, how to find any square large
exactly.
above
Ma'am,
5 or
even,
below 5?
Okay.
ma'am, even we learned how to find the square starting with
And
5 and ending with 5.
and